All right, with spring in bloom, I'm sure a lot of you do not want to see snow. You talk about spring in bloom. Check out this photo taken in South Glastonbury by Steve Franklin. This is a Cornell pink azalea with a bumblebee on it. But guess what? This is what we're forecasting. We've been talking about this all day long. 3 to 6 inches of snow in the Northwest Hills. Now, this is not going to be everywhere in the Northwest Hills, primarily in elevations 1,200 feet and above. In the Hartford area, there might be a coating on grassy surfaces, maybe an inch in some of the higher elevations in towns surrounding Hartford. Nothing along the shoreline. In the northeastern hills, 1 to 3 inches of wet snow. Now, snow is not uncommon in spring. Normally, for the Hartford area, in April, we get 1.4 inches of snow. Of course, the record biggest snowstorm in April was Winter Storm Olaf in 1982, 14.3 inches. That was actually a blizzard. Now, the latest snowfall on record was on May 9th in 1977 when we had 1.3 inches of snow. All right. So let's take a look at our iCams. Hartford is currently 51 after reaching 71 today. There's our iCam in Waterbury. It's 47, very much on the cool side. And you know what? Temperatures may not get out of the 40s in many parts of the state tomorrow. In New Haven, you could clearly see the overcast sky, and the current temperature is 50 degrees with an easterly wind. So New Haven is 50. The warm spot is Danbury at 57. Salisbury is 56. These areas in extreme western Connecticut are not influenced by the cooling sea breeze, but everybody else is in the 40s and low 50s right now. And we do have that sea breeze, light south to southeasterly wind, although in some places the wind speed is at 12 miles an hour. So we have no rain in Connecticut now. There is rain off to our south, and this is a storm that's gathering moisture, and it's going to come at Connecticut loaded with 1 to 3 inches of rain. We talked about that earlier in the newscast. So as we go into tomorrow morning, that's when the rain is going to break out. So windshield wipers in many parts of the state tomorrow morning. Grab the umbrella before heading out the door. At noontime, it's going to be raining statewide, a soaking rain in the afternoon and evening, and some of that rain is going to be heavy. Now it's around midnight when the rain will change to snow in the Northwest Hills. That could actually reach, central and even southern portions of the state by Friday morning. Not that it's going to accumulate, but it will be in the air. And then as we go into Friday evening, still some lingering snow in the Northeast Hills, and then things wrap up Saturday morning. Still a couple of rain and snow showers, but a lot of that is going to go away as the morning goes on. So lows tonight will be in the 40s and highs tomorrow in many parts of the state will be in the 40s. We'll say 40s and low 50s. Now, what about the wind? Now, tomorrow evening, the wind, it's going to be breezy. Winds, between 20 and 25, 26 miles an hour. But as we go into Friday, not so much in the morning, but Friday evening, that's when the winds will really crank up in eastern Connecticut, gusts to 40 miles an hour. And that's going to make for a rather miserable and chilly Friday evening, to be quite honest. All right, Friday, a high of 42 and breezy. And then over the weekend, we get back on track with spring, becoming partly sunny Saturday, 57. Sunday, partly sunny and 61. I can't rule out a shower Sunday, but I'm going optimistically dry for now. 61 degrees. And Monday and Tuesday, you see that temperatures trend upward. 64 Monday, 68 on Tuesday, and showers will knock temperatures down to 60 on Wednesday. And for the shoreline, 52 tomorrow, which is cool enough, but only 45 on Friday.